So everybody, I'm in Dunnes Stores in Ireland, and here I want to pick a watermelon for €5. And what you want to look for to pick a good watermelon is you want some of these marks on the bottom. It means it's been on the earth for a long time. And you want a big vibrant colour like this, a big orange patch, whereas this is bad, whereas this means it's been getting a lot of sun. Let me see, this one is just too green all over. You don't want it to be green all over. And yeah, let me see what else. So these little signs here are also good, these little patches. So you want one like that, whereas you can see this one doesn't have it. Yeah, I don't think these two are probably that good, but I'm still learning, but this is what I've learned so far, and I will do a follow-up video to show you how juicy, sweet this is. See, these trails are brilliant, and sometimes you even have a little black sugary patch, which if you get holes, like little small holes in it, that's also a good thing. It means the insects have sensed it's really ripe and sweet and tasty and are trying to get it. So don't be put off by the holes. Yeah, so this is all really good guys. So I'll show you again in another video, next video, if this is really nice. Okay, take care and lots of love. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video and you want more holistic videos.